There we go. Okay, the time is 11:56. The watch says it's closer to 10:56, but it really does mean 11 in almost the hour. The stopwatch feature there is zeroed out at, say, 8:25:44. We start the stopwatch. It ticks along. When we stop the stopwatch, it goes to 21/100ths. We keep going. We stop again. We reset. It goes back to 8:25:44:11 as its zero time. Go back to time. We see the date at 12 instead of at 17 or 18 today, I'm sorry. We pull the set. This is the hours setting for, I think, AM. The hand should either be on the 15 or the 45 for the second hand. We click once to change to minutes. It should set at 30, and that's not there, but we can change the minutes. We set again. It should be the year. That should be at the 55, and we're allowed to change the year. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 0. We did not change the first part of the year until there. We click again. It should be the month. It's the 12th month, 13th month, 14th month, 15th month, etc. And we change to the day, 12th. We change through, and it will not 31, 32, 39, 30, 41 for the day. Then it switches back. So obviously our zero setting is incorrect. That takes us back to changing the hour. The hour is changing to significantly short of each hour. And we push the setting to reset to 0 seconds, and we see the second hand goes back to about the 44, which is what zero time is according to the watch. This is an indication that something has happened in the logic of this watch, and this is what continues to happen on a regular basis. I've got pictures that show multiple different zero times, such as that. And if we go to reset the zero, now we can change okay, we're not getting it to stop that. Reset to 0. Go back to time mode. Hold that in. Now we can change to get to the 0 for the hour hand. 0 for the minute hand. 0 for the seconds, 0 for the tenths. Yeah, I went too far. Zero for the 100ths. And now we're zeroed out. If we go back to that, if we go back to our stopwatch, we have a normal stopwatch. And it runs as expected. Stops at that, resets back to 0000. Go back to time. Now if we reset the time, now we're at 6 p.m. The second hand is where it belongs. We go back. This is now a.m. I can get to 11. Well, now it's 12:02, so I need p.m. So 12 p.m. change to minutes. As you can see, the second hand is now where it belongs. To change to minutes, it's going to be 04 before I get done. Change to the year. We're looking at, it's 17, the month. It's not the 10th. It's the second month, and it is the 18th day. And seconds are going to be at 12:04. Well, not quite 12:04, but we resets the seconds to the 12, and everything looks like it's running correctly, at least for now, until it decides to reset its 0 again.